Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to repair or reset Cortana on your Windows 11 computer if it's not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you need to go ahead and do here would be to right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Now you want to select on the left side where it says Apps and select where it says Apps and Features. Go ahead and left click on that. Go ahead and search the Apps field and type in Cortana. Best result should come back with Cortana. Go ahead and select the little three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Make sure microphone is turned on here and then scroll down. Reset. If the app isn't working right, we can try and repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select Repair. So hopefully at that point when you restart your computer, the issue should have been resolved. And then if not, you can attempt to reset Cortana, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. Again, would recommend restarting your computer and then attempt to relaunch Cortana, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.